Hi guys, today I'll show you the problem I made. The problem is when I export this body and import to the 3D printing software, some part missing. Let me show you what's the problem. Look, I selected the body and the file export. So I give a name 111. Okay, save, and go to the Bamboo Studio, the 3D printing software. Here to it is 111. Look, there have some missed. In the Freecad, you can see this part, it's missing, and this pocket in the software also missing. Why? I found the reason is here. The green arrow. The green arrow means I use right click, use the set tip, this function, so the green arrow to here. If I want to insert some step here, so I right click and use the set tip. Look, this green area from here to here. If I need all this body to be export, I need to use this function to the last operation, this one, the last one, and right click set tip. The green area to the last operation here. Now I export file, export this name, I'm named it 222, and I export add this 222. So look, this is the right result. So that's a problem.